to show you 5 face packs that you can make at home. These are so easy that you can find all the ingredients in your kitchen. So basically this home remedies are for normal to dry skin. I tend to have a combination skin, which means in winters and in summers I have different skin. Like especially in the T-zone area, I tend to get oily at times, and in summers it's very dry. If you have a skin like me or it gets occasionally dried, do follow this remedies. So I was really worried about my skin because it's summer already, and my skin is getting oily, as you can see, in the T-zone area, and flakier on my cheeks. Today it's normal, but it gets flaky and dry, and I still have a redness on my cheeks. So there's a lot of problem going on. So without talking much, let's get on to the video.
The first face pack is fruit-based pack. The main ingredients are papaya and banana. Apparently, papaya is the #1 fruit when it comes to skincare. So we are taking equal parts of papaya and banana. Then crush it till it becomes paste. You can use a fork or you can use blender. Then add 2-3 spoons of honey. Mix it nicely, then add 2-3 spoons of curd. This pack has vitamin A and C, which reduces acne, scars and dark spots. Banana has potassium, which eliminates dead skin and keep your skin healthy and moisturizes dehydrated skin. Vitamin E also protects the skin from UV damages that are present in banana. After applying it, keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it. For the second face pack, you need unsweetened cocoa powder, 3-4 spoons of raw milk, honey and virgin coconut oil. Mix it all the ingredients, then make it a fine paste. So cocoa powder is rich in antioxidant, and cocoa powder is made from antioxidant rich cocoa pods, and this protects skin from UV damages. It also detoxifies skin and promotes skin glow. So before applying the pack, do not forget to soak your face with a warm towel. Your paste should be very smooth so that you can apply easily with your brush. Coconut oil in this pack acts as the best cleanser, and it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So after applying the pack, you need to keep it for 20 minutes. Once it's dried completely, then wash it. For third face pack, you need besan, haldi, water, honey and aloe vera. So this face pack is very famous among Indians. So it's not like any other besan haldi face pack. I'm using it with a twist. I'm using aloe vera in it. Even this pack has cleansing properties as it removes dirt and excess oil, and turmeric acts as the medicine here as it clears the acne, suntan, scars, blemishes, pigmentation, dull and dry skin, and leaves a healthy natural looking glow. Whereas aloe vera mainly moisturizes and heals dry and flaky skin. That is why it's called the natural moisturizer. After applying, keep this pack for around 30 minutes, then wash it. For the fourth pack, you need orange peel powder, olive oil, lemon and some essential oil. So to make the orange peel powder, dry the skins of orange. You can add lemon peels also, and remove the white membrane, and once it's dry, blend it till it's fine powder. Mix all the ingredients and add some water because it soaks a lot of water. So this pack prevents signs of aging and reduces pigmentation and other marks, and it also works as natural cleanser and gives you clear and brighter skin. There's a wrong perception regarding orange that it lightens the skin tone. No, it doesn't. Lemon has that lightening properties. Keep this pack for 30 minutes, then wash it. For the last pack, you'll be needing multani mitti, tomato juice, rose water and essential oil. I'm using tea tree oil here, honey and 2-3 wedges of lemon. Fuller's Earth helps to fight acne and pimple by removing excess oil and sebum. It treats tanning and pigmentation. It is also an effective cooling agent. And tomato reduces the open pores and blackheads. It is a good source of vitamin A and C. Tomato has lycopene in it, which helps to stimulate collagen production, and this helps to improve skin texture. And it also has anti-aging properties. So tea tree oil is a must-have. It has so many uses because of its various properties. It is a magical oil for me, and it treats acne, calms redness and swelling and inflammation. It is antiseptic, chemical free moisturizer, hand wash. You can use it as a insect repellent, hand sanitizer. Whereas honey is antiseptic, antioxidant and antibacterial. It fights acne, hydrates and tightens the skin. This mask can be used as a body mask also. Keep it for 20 minutes, then wash.